Okay, sa pagkakaroon, from now until Friday, dili na tamong takuman niya na. I was able to talk to some of the chamber members. Daghan nila na dili sila kayo ganahan niya for data. But we are considering, kaninang buntag, istorya sa atong mga department heads. So naa sila yung mga suggestions, but we are going to give that direction before the end of the week. Considering na for data, the possibility is that we start 8 o'clock and then we're going to end up a certain time sa gabi. The only thing is, kung Friday wala ka, there are some offices na importante na siguro kung kunti mo badayon ka sa 4 days, naanang yapon sila. So again, we cannot decide right now kung unsa gyud sa City of Cebu, but we are actually monitoring sa uban nga mga probinsya o uban nga lugar like dito sa Manila kung unsa epekto sa 4-day work.